In this video, I am going to show you how to change menu in WordPress. So let's get started. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to change this menu. We can create a new menu or we can edit this navigational menu. So let's see how we can do it. So at first log into your WordPress website dashboard and then from the left menu just click on Appearance and then Menus. Now here you will see all the menu items that you have created on your website. And this is the menu item which is available on our website like Home, About, Services, Contact. If you see our website, this is the menu that is available on our website. We can change this menu or we can create a new menu. At first we are going to see how we can edit this current menu and then we are going to see how we can create a new menu in our WordPress website. We can easily rearrange elements in our menu. Like if we want to move the contact to the top, we can just drag it towards the top and it will be rearranged. Now to delete any menu item, we are going to click on this drop down and after that we are going to click on remove and it will be removed. Now to add new pages, posts or categories to our menu, we can do it easily from the left menu. If we want to add any pages to our menu, we are going to select this pages section. After that we are going to click on view all and here we will see all the pages that are available on our website. Now if we want to add any page to our menu, so we are going to select this checkbox and after that we are going to click on add to menu and in this way this page will be added to our menu. Now in case of post, we are going to click on this post section. After that we are going to select the post and then click on add to menu and in this way our post will be added to our menu. Same goes for the custom links as well as categories. After adding the new items, we are going to click on save menu and in this way our menu will be saved. Now we are going to see how we can create a new navigational menu on our WordPress website. So to create a new menu, on the top here we will see create a new menu button. So we are going to click on it. Now we are going to give it a name and after that we are going to set the position of our menu. I want to set it to footer. So I am going to select footer menu from here and after that we are going to click on create menu and in this way our new menu will be created. Now if you want to add pages to the menu, you can easily do it from the pages section just like we have did this before. In this video we have learned how to edit the current navigational menu on our WordPress website and also how to create a new navigational menu on our WordPress website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.